Hi guys, welcome to Poppy Show.
Hi.
They can't hear you.
Straight, big up on
can't hear you.
yourself.
Say
Good
it
morning,
again.
good morning, good morning. Welcome to another video, guys.
What go on, people? Have a look, son. That's
You see it?
Big up on
Straight.
yourself.
Yeah, but we're gonna go get some pumpkins. We're gonna do a pumpkin carving video. We and the kids, it's fun. Straight. So, as usual, guys, we hope everybody's staying safe. Like the video, subscribe to us if you're new. And our pop stars, we want to say big up on yourself. You don't
Big
know.
up on yourself.
Love,
Stars.
love overload. I appreciate each and everybody, okay? So we're gonna take you on this trip with us as we go and get a pumpkin. Look at them pumpkin here. I don't know what kind of pumpkin them here. Look at these ones over here. That's the price for the pumpkins, guys. Ajay, which one you want? We're gonna get two.
With the red one, what's the size?
Was it a big one yours?
Huh?
Or a medium size?
Here they are.
Do they put the prices on them?
What about? That's a nice looking one.
Some of them ill shape it like what?
I like it.
You will get that one?
Oh,
Or how much you don't want it? AJ, can you lift it up?
This one. Ali,
Mali, grab that one there.
Ali, can you hold it? Ali, can you hold it?
What y'all think about this one? Yeah, I think that's a good one.
Alright guys, so we're home now and this is Malik pumpkin. This is my pumpkin. You see me I say? So make sure, I mean I carve the two of them still, don't get me wrong, right? But Malik choose what him want for him pumpkin and me choose what me want for my pumpkin. You understand me I say? So me have to do the carving because you don't know the whole knife thing and kids and whatever, you know what I mean? Adult and manager thing. So this is my one. My one I gonna be, tell them what it gonna be. No, I'm not telling them what it's going to be, but my one is like a short, fat one. Remember the one there, Malik one more tall. You understand? And we'll see them when I'm done. So, in the comment section, after all of this, make sure someone vote which one we have the best image. You understand me? I say, as I say, me I do the carving, so I wouldn't say which one we carve the best, but which one we chose the best image. You understand me? I say, remember, my one is like a short, fat one, Malik one is the tall one. Alright, so in the comment section, make we know what we want to think. So, first pumpkin carving, we do the thing, check it out. See? Okay guys, so here we have it. This is my pumpkin, short fat one, and this is Malik's pumpkin. It look like Malik. See what I say? Look just like how Malik look. Alright, so guys, comment. Leave us a comment in the comment section. Tell us which one y'all like best, right? Which one are the images? This is not the final presentation. We'll just stick around for the final presentation. You know, the dark, light, and beer things. You know what I mean? So remember, my one are the short fat one. Malik one are the like, what you call that one? More like slim and taller. So team dad, team Malik. You understand? And as always, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. And for all the pop stars, big up on yourself. You don't know, love you, non-stop. Happy Halloween, all the best for the holidays. And be safe out there if you have to go. Alright? Big up on yourself.